Do you want to know how to make your own bath products? Well, I have some super cute, cheap, and awesome bath bombs for you. And of course, I had to make them in the shape of little cupcakes. They are easier to put together than you may think, and they are a great party favor idea. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. I'm Maria, and I'm a full-time graphic designer. And every week I like to hop onto YouTube and I like to share inspiration to make your life more creative with fashion lookbooks, home DIYs, recipe ideas, and lots more. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all the Artsy Cupcake fun. I was recently creating some party favors for an event I was attending, and I wanted to share how cute they came out in case you want to make these little guys for yourself. They would look great in a gift basket or handed out in these cute little cupcake boxes I found, or even just wrapped in some cellophane with a little ribbon and a gift tag. I created a couple cute little gift tag ideas for you in case you want to download those for free. I will put the link in the description box below so you can grab them off my blog. This recipe makes about 6 cupcake bath bombs depending on what size you go with. And I made 50 of these for the party I attended, so that was fun. But really it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, and things just got a little messy, of course, but overall it was a fun project. Let's get right into this with the ingredients that you will need for these cupcake bath bombs. For the cake portion of the bath bombs, you will need 1 cup baking soda, ½ cup citric acid, ½ cup cornstarch, ½ cup Epsom salts, 3 tablespoons almond oil, or you could use coconut oil here, 1 to 2 teaspoons water, maybe a little more, and an essential oil of your choice, and then some food coloring. For the frosting you will need, and it's really simple, there are 3 tablespoons of meringue powder, 6 tablespoons of warm water, and 1 pound of powdered sugar. And then if you want to decorate it with some sprinkles, then you can pick out whatever kind of decorations you want. You will also need a muffin pan, glass bowls for mixing, a mixer and piping tips, muffin liners, and then whatever cute packaging you decide to go with, and then those little tags that I made for you guys as the finishing touch. Step 1 is to measure the ingredients. So you'll start by mixing together the baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, and salts into a large glass bowl to create the cupcake base. In a separate, very small bowl, you will be combining the almond oil, the water, and the food coloring, and then if you wanted to add some essential oils, you could add that, or even vanilla. Just some vanilla would be good in here if you wanted vanilla scented bath bombs. I added just a couple drops of that red food coloring to get the pink color, and the wet ingredients won't really mix up perfectly. They'll look a little bit, separated, but that's okay because once you mix it with the dry ingredients, everything will blend together nicely. Step 2 is to combine the wet and the dry ingredients. So you'll want to add those wet ingredients about a tablespoon at a time to the dry ingredients. If you go too fast with this step, the ingredients will react and bubble up. And if you saw my spa gift basket video, I didn't go slow when I mixed those lavender bath bombs together, but it didn't matter too much because I was using a mold and I didn't really care if the bath bomb mixture overflowed a little bit. I wasn't going for a really specific shape, but with these, I wanted them to be a specific size and shape since I'm going to put that icing on top. So it's really important to really go slow with the mixing to prevent that fizzing. It'll be like crumbly sand, and when you can squeeze it into a ball and it holds together, then it's just right. Step 3 is to put the mixture into the cupcake tin. You'll pack that bath bomb mixture into each of the cups really hard, and then you'll let them sit for 15 minutes, and then you can flip the pan over to get them out. And if they won't come out, you could use a knife to gently lift them out. I put mine into the cupcake liners right then, and then I let them sit and dry overnight. Step 4, make the frosting. In a mixing bowl, blend together the meringue powder and the warm water until it's frothy. Then you'll add the powdered sugar and you'll beat this on high until stiff peaks form. If the frosting is a little too stiff, then just mix in a little bit of water, a teaspoon at a time, until it's a consistency that you can pipe and it'll still stand up on its own. Then for the fun part, you can add the toppings on there while the frosting is still wet so that they'll stick. I used a little edible glitter and some sprinkles, and then just let the frosting dry for a few hours. Step 5 is the packaging. These little cute pink cupcake boxes were pretty cheap and they came in a lot of different colors. You could also use a jar or a cellophane bag and a ribbon. And then I have this cute printable with a variety of tags on my blog as a free download. So let me know what you thought of these cute little cupcake bath bombs. And if you want more recipes to make your own spa products, then definitely go and check out my spa gift basket video, which I will link in the description box below. I used a ton of Dollar Tree finds, so it's a really low cost but high-end looking gift. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.